Alcantara door inserts.
Not as pretty as an S2K.
That's better.
Very true. Not as pretty as an S2K.
It's better.
What's going on, guys? So I got some stuff to explain with this, but first we gotta watch it with the squad. So this boy insisted that he clay bar the hood.
The whole car.
Yeah, or the whole car. The whole car? Oh, we stepping up the game.
It's not that big of a car.
Dude, get yourself a friend like this.
You see, look.
Okay, because I'm not helping at all.
Wow, the hood was way worse than the bumper. I don't know how. The bumper was.
It's because like the S2, that all this is like the downforce, like.
Oh, downforce.
Like all the.
It's VTEC.
Yeah.
How many people are gonna try and roast me for my clay bar technique? I bet. Probably like, you know, you have to go in a pentagon shape.
I thought you quit on Cokes.
I'm drinking less.
I'm not gonna get a hood scoop, G.
So yeah, this is my new Honda S2000. It's actually a year 2000, so it's about 18 years old. Got 100,000 miles on it. I know I'm gonna have some questions on how much I picked it up for. I actually picked it up like 12.2, 12.5. I think we agreed on 12.2. So I got it for a pretty good price. It was in everything mechanically speaking works, and I just have some little cosmetic things to fix. There's a couple dents on it here and there, but overall, mechanically speaking, it's a solid car, and I'm super excited to just do a bunch of things to this, and I got a lot of plans for it, and I'm just looking forward to it.
Hold up.
Yeah, got something to say? So, here's the thing, what happened to the whole M3 thing we're talking about in the summer, 240, and remember that 240 like drift car thing that I kind of sat down about the M3, and it was gonna put me on budget, and I was gonna be very limited on what I could do, and I didn't really want to do that to myself. As far as the drift car thing, I looked into the price of building out a drift car and everything, and it's a lot of freaking money, and it's just I don't know, it basically you're just skidding away money. It's good fun, but also every YouTuber and their mother does drifting, and I kind of want to do something different. You think about that?
It's still fun.
Yeah, thought about it, but it's drifting. It's fun. So, well, yeah. It's cool too. It's still something I'm thinking about in the future. But yeah, I don't know. That's nowhere that I want to go right now. It's super awesome, super dope. I'm really excited to do some stuff with this. So, we'll see. We're gonna drift. I'll shoot. We're gonna drift. Anyways. Remember that. So what's the plan with this? I plan on doing a lot of autocross and tracking, and I've been thinking about it and kind of mapping out what I can do. There's 2 or 3 events that happen around the Houston area. There's one in Houston that happens, and there's one actually up at Texas A&M that happens like every other month. And it's just a cool little autocross event that they partnered up with U of H on, where I go. So that's something definitely where I can, kind of test the car. So I'm not going to be just adding a bunch of ricer mods. It's going to be mods. I mean, I may add, a joke here and there on the car. I don't know, but it's definitely going to be something to see, as I see how far I can push the car and how I can see myself become a better driver, and learn more about getting an apex right, when to put on power, when to not to. So I'm excited. I'm pumped. I still don't know what my first mod's gonna be. My friends have already asked me. I don't know, but I'll figure something out soon. That's what the next video will be. Or the auto show. I don't know yet. Anyways, that's all for today. I'm excited for this. Let me know what you think of it in the comments down below. Give me a like if you like this, sub if you love it. Catch you on the next one.